Harris County is getting nearly 60,000 first doses of the vaccine this week. In total, the state of Texas will get another 500,000. These are from Moderna and Pfizer, but a lot of us have our eyes on vaccines from other companies. Marcelino Benito spoke with an infectious disease expert about the need for different kinds of vaccines.
Ron, we're just weeks away from new COVID-19 vaccines rolling out, and Dr. Peter Hotez says it's critical that they're approved quickly. He says we're now in a race against concerning spread of new COVID-19 variants.
As bad as things have been, we're about to see something far worse.
COVID cases dropping nationally, but new concerns growing. The progress will be short-lived as new variants from the UK, Brazil, and South Africa start spreading across the country.
There's no end in sight. Marcelino, will be getting 700, 800,000 deaths unless we can get ahead of this and pretty soon. I'm really worried about the variants.
It's why new vaccines can't come soon enough. Johnson & Johnson released promising new data on its vaccine. 85% overall efficacy at preventing severe illness, leading to hospitalizations and deaths. It's a one-dose vaccine, and the company plans to apply for FDA authorization soon.
Quite honestly, a single dose of the J&J is better, probably better than a single dose of the Pfizer and the Moderna vaccines.
Hotez says slightly different efficacy rates should not worry the public. The important thing is to get vaccinated as soon as possible. Every vaccine approved will work to save your life.
Don't wait for any one particular vaccine. Get what you can, and don't be hesitant about it.
If the J&J vaccine is approved, it will help increase vaccination rates with increased supply, but it won't be enough to get us to the 3 million shots per day needed to turn this pandemic around. Hotez says to get there, we're going to need more vaccines approved.
It has to be all hands on deck to vaccinate by later this spring, early summer, the entire U.S. population, or at least 3/4 of the U.S. population ahead of the variants. And that has to be the number one priority.
In addition to the J&J vaccine, there's still 3 other vaccines working their way through the approval process. That includes BioE Baylor College of Medicine's vaccine currently being tested in India. Dr. Hotez says we're going to need all of them if we have any chance of getting back to normal. Back to you.